How to fix Huawei Mate 70 mobile hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and click on mobile network. Now here you can see the option personal hotspot. Now click on it and turn on your personal hotspot. After turning on your personal hotspot, then check your internet connection will work properly or not. And after checking your internet connection, then open system and updates and click on software update. Here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on reset. And then click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.